What's up? It's Ohio Skater here, and I was just wondering who wants to go skate.
Just kidding, I live in Ohio and it's a fucking monsoon. Look at this shit, man. Somebody please put an indoor skate park in Athens, Ohio. Please. Any rich people listening to this, help a brother out, man. I had to save up to you before, you know I ain't doing it.
On that clip that you just saw, there's this exit ramp by a highway near my house, and there was a mudslide on that hill, and it went all the way across the exit ramp, and there was like a tree laying across the road and stuff. It was crazy. They had to shut it down. We usually don't get mudslides and stuff around here, so it's kind of crazy to me. What's up, y'all? Ohio Skater here. It's below freezing point. It's under 32 degrees, I'm pretty sure. I checked the Weather Channel app. I can't remember. It says it feels like it's like 27 or 28 degrees, so pretty cold out here. But I haven't been able to skate, and I'm hoping there's at least some dry spot to skate, because I'm sure it's gonna be wet. We got some crazy storms yesterday, so let's hope we can get some clips, y'all. Oh, and since me and my ex broke up a while ago, I haven't had a filmer, so, and I also don't have the little mount thing that I had. So yeah, hopefully I can do more than POV today. Alright, seeing how it stormed so much the past, like yesterday, maybe the day before, I figured the park was gonna be soaked. Check this out, it's not too bad.
Not really that wet. Quite surprising to me, but I'll take it. Check that out over there, some flood water. The river's right over there where you can see that semi driving. Between us and the semi, there's a river there. Man, this is crazy. I wonder if... I know the river... Oh, you might be able to see the river over there.
Man, flash flood, that's real.
Just some random clothes laying here.
I'm not touching that shit, I'll tell you that much. Alright, let's start this with a little POV. It won't all be POV though.
Man, look at all of that. It's a good thing I didn't just shoot down here full speed. I'd have been swimming, man. That's probably at least a foot or two of water, man. That drain must be plugged. I wish I could get down in there to open it up.
Man, that sucks. That would have been horrible to just hit full speed like I normally do, shoot around that little turn thing. Dang. Alright, well, looks like today is kickflip practice. Let's get it. Also, forgive the gloves. It's cold as hell out here, and it's hard to move your fingers when it's cold, so it is what it is. Make fun if you want to, the comment sections down below. Board was a little behind me. This coat and stuff could possibly be throwing me off, but let's try a couple more kick flips, try some ollies, maybe some hill flips, see what happens. That one was definitely better. Let's try some heel flips. I don't know what the fuck's going on. So the heel flips did not work as planned. It's cold out here, man. My feet aren't working right. Let's just try some basics, see what's up with the ollies. Let's get it. There we go. Woo. That's sketchy as fuck. But I'm gonna take it, boys. I'll take it.
It's been Ohio Skater. It's starting to snow and it's cold. I'm freezing. I'm about to get out of here. Please like, subscribe, share it with people. I really appreciate that. Follow my Instagram. And yeah, it's Ohio Skater. I'm out, son.